Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers, and tonight we're coming at you with a 4-box break of 2013 Panini Black Football. All names have been entered into random.org, and I'm going to randomize it 6 times. And I'd like to throw a special shout out to all the first timers joining us tonight. Alright, here we go. Good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, Guadalupe, I know you got the skins, brother. And I cleaned my computer earlier, and I forgot to bring up the spreadsheet, so allow me to do that. Alright, that's better. Here we go. Yes, the new one is going to break tonight, Melina. Alright, let's see who we all have. Cardinals, Brian P. The Falcons, Byron W. The Ravens, Byron W. Paulo, you keep getting those Bills, brother. Shoei with the Panthers. Levi, first timer with the Bears. The Case Breakers with the Bengals. Josh with the Browns. Will with the Cowboys. Shoei with the Broncos. Melina with the Lions. The Case Breakers with the Packers. Ron with the Texans. Chad with the Colts. Chris S., first timer with the Jaguars. Chris M. with the Chiefs. Guadalupe with the Dolphins. Ryan B. with the Vikings. Steve C. with the Patriots. Paulo with the Saints. Tucker with the Giants. The Case Breakers with the Jets. Ron with the Raiders. Adam with the Eagles. Brandon with the Steelers. Josh with the Chargers. Serena, the birthday girl, with the 49ers. Joey with the Seahawks. Brian with the Rams. Michael S. with the Bucks. Sean with the Titans. Guadalupe with the Redskins. Alright, there you have it, everyone. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!